Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about test condition. It is used to see if an expression is true, and if it is true it returns 0, otherwise returns non-zero for false. Let's do the practical. First create a file called positive. Define system variable. After that, use test condition to check whether number entered by user is positive or not. Execute the script. First it will show the 0 value because we entered the positive value. Second time it will show the non-zero value because we entered the negative value. Thank you.